JEE Preparation Physics Gravitation Part 5. In this Part 5, we are going to understand module number 13, 14 and 15. Already in the previous 4 part, we have completed module 1 to 12. Now, numerical on acceleration due to gravity at the depth. So already we have solved one or two examples based on the same. The formula which we have derived is Rd upon R, where Rd is small r. So replacing that Rd by small r upon R. Sir, why we are taking this again and again? Revising. So that you will remember this, that acceleration due to gravity at the depth g dash is equal to g in bracket 1 minus d by r, and r into 1 is r minus d upon r, and rd belongs to small r. So gd is directly proportional to small r. Now numerical, assuming the earth to be a sphere of uniform mass density, how much would a body weight halfway down to the center of the earth if it has a weight of 250 Newton on the surface? तो अभी इसको options भी अगर उन्होंने दिए होंगे, then too it is very important to understand कि उस option को choose कैसे किया जाए. So for that quickly we will understand how to solve this numerical. Keep these steps in your mind so that while answering this during the exam you will easily solve. So m is 250 Newton, d is r by 2 and small g is 9.8. But GD is G is equal to GD is G into 1 minus D by R, right? Yes. So further, MWD equals MGD. That D is just shifted, but that is MGD. So GD is nothing but G in bracket 1 minus D by R. So what we can do? GD, here is GD, no?
Yes.
So value of M is 250 and depth is R by 2. So R by 2 by R. So 250 into 1 by 2. R
Cancel.
right?
Yes.
So answer is
125
125
Newton.
Newton. Now next, second question. The acceleration due to gravity at the depth d reduces to 25%. In the previous part we have seen decrease to 90%. Prior to that we have seen half of the original gravity, whatsoever given. Here what we are understanding, the acceleration due to gravity at depth d reduces to 25%. So directly what we have written, GD is equal to 25% of G, that is nothing but 25 by 100 into G. Value at the surface, calculate the value of D if the radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer. So we have written the given values. So how it became G by 4, 24 ones are 24, 24 fours are 100. So G by 4. So to find, what to find? D. And what is the formula? GD is equal to G in bracket 1 minus D by R. So put the values. Very quickly we will put the values in it. So GD is G by 4. So here we have written G by 4, then G 1 minus
D
D by R. So GG cancelled on both the side.
Yes.
So 1 by 4 equals 1 minus
D
D
by
by R. So D by R is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 1 3 by 4. So D is equal to 3 by 4 into radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer, right? 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. When we are considering 6.4, it must be 10 raised to 6 meters. When we are considering 6400, that is 10 raised to 3 meters.
Yes.
That is mentioned over there. Okay.
Yes.
So D is equal to
1.6.
1.6 4.
4.8 meter.
So now convert it into standard form.
4,800
4,800 kilometers. Now, this is the end of module 13. Now we have to move for
Module 14.
module 14. Okay, we'll see. So acceleration due to gravity, we will quickly revise it. Acceleration due to variation of G with latitude due to rotational motion of Earth. New topic, right? Now the point P is considered on the circumference. So here with the distance of r from the axis of rotation, there is one angle which is termed as phi, and force acting is mg. Force acting is mg, and on the tangent the another force is mr omega square. Why omega square? Because of angular displacement. So the angles are equal and opposite.
Yes.
So phi here, phi here. If these both are parallel, then phi and phi remain same,
Yes.
right? You might have studied in the mathematics. What? Alternate angles, correct. So mg and mg dash we have considered.
Yes.
So that is mr omega square cos phi. So considering mg dash equals mg dash equals mg and minus mr omega square cos phi, right? So mg we have considered on left side of the rectangle, triangle, and mg dash is the below the triangle. So m common will get cancelled. I think we came back, so quickly we'll go forward. Yes, see, this particular yellow one is mg, force acting towards the center, and mg dash again we have considered with reference to mr omega square cos phi. So considering that two, we have derived the formula mg is equals mg dash is equals mg minus mr omega square cos phi, right?
Yes.
So considering m common and that get cancelled, so g dash is equals g minus r omega square cos phi, and g dash, here we have mentioned the value of small r, we have mentioned the value of small r, this is above this, that is r cos phi, r cos phi with the trigo. And next here r omega square cos square phi. You can write this derivation afterward considering this triangle. So g dash is nothing but g minus r omega square cos square phi. Keep this in mind because we have to utilize this while solving the numericals. So this is the end of module 14. Now we will go for module 15. Variation of g with the latitude due to rotational motion of earth at poles. 2 points are there. We have considered 1p. So there is an angle of 90. Prior to this, we have not considered a fixed angle. We have taken any arbitrary angle on the circumference of earth. Now we are very specifically considering at poles. So at poles, it means it has an angle of 90 degree from the so here if we will put the value of 90, cos phi became 0 because cos 90 is 0, right?
Yes.
So कोई बात नहीं, गलत तो सबका आता है, बस उसको याद रखना है what mistake we have done, so उसको वापस नहीं करना है. So cos 90 is 0. So if this complete goes 0, what remains with us? G. Only G. And small g is capital G, capital M upon R square. Right? Yes. So, chalo multiple lecture है, कोई problem नहीं है. Pay attention. Variation of G with latitude due to rotational motion of Earth. So at equator, अभी कहाँ पर है हम लोग? At equator. थोड़ी देर पहले कहाँ पर थे? At poles. So from equator to pole, the angle was 90 degree. Now on equator, angle is 0 degree. 0 degree. Pay attention here. So GE we have mentioned. E stands for equator. Prior to this GP, we can write that is acceleration of gravity on poles. So G minus R omega square cos phi. Now here cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So we have GE equals G minus R omega square. You all have to revise all this because in the next episode, part 6, while understanding model I guess 16, we have to revise all this and then we have to solve numericals based on that. Yes. Right? So don't forget to revise all these 3 last modules because when we will meet tomorrow again at 7 a.m. in the morning, yes, we have to start from the module number 16. We will quickly revise it and we will start solving the numericals based on that. Okay? I hope you understood. Yes, but if you will revise all these parts, you will 100% secure good marks in CET, JEE and NEET.
Yes.
Why? Because we have not only covered theoretical part, but we have covered derivation along with the numericals and MCQs. So everything we have covered in this, and we are moving topic by topic.
Yes.
So what is your duty? You have to revise each and every module which we have discussed today. Pause the video for a particular time, recall it, remember it, and then move ahead.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.